itself is clear. But the building itself is clear. I'm still looking around the premises though. Hey, do you know where the kids are at? Here you go. Okay, let's get up the pet shop and pools, okay? I'll do it fine. Watch, we're at the spawn, Out of ammo. What? Oh shit, guy right there. Sorry. Call it. Yeah, I got him. Okay, good. Sorry. Okay, I got the one.
Our guys are tearing it up.
What?
Your mag's empty.
What? No, it's not. Taylor has BBs, if we can find him. Okay. Is that green? Black! You black? Okay. Hey, I see Tanner. These guys up here. David, come up here. We're gonna get these guys. No, there's no way I didn't hit that guy. In the building! Careful! What?
Hey, window! Hey, tell your friend he's in that window.
Yeah. What?
I got a single one.
Single one?
I shot 4 more guys back here. Alright, I'll make it last this time.
Please do. Careful. Spawn looks good. Hey, there's 2 noobs up at the spawn. Hey! Let me go ahead and meat shield you right now.
What are you shooting at? Put it on full. Have it on safety. Yeah, or not on safety, but
I have a pistol.
Yeah, run in there with the pistol. Hey, AJ, you run in there with Carter with the pistol.
Okay, hey. I'll come take you.
Wait.
Let me get my M4 off.
Hey, Tanner, get in that window, make sure nobody's coming for you.
Hold your breath.
Go. Guys, when you're ready.
Bang! Hey, man, call it out. Bang. What? That's called a safety kill.
Bang.
You're not supposed. Bang! That's called a safety kill. You guys go out. It's a safety kill. I didn't shoot you. My fingers have been off my trigger this whole time. It's right there. Bang! Oh, you! Bang! Okay. I'm hit. No, they're clear. You guys keep going in there now. Get in there. Fill in. There's one guy in there. Fill in!
What's he gun? Hey, fill in!
I've got like 5 kills in my ATP. Where the... You got him. Okay. Okay, orange ship, orange ship, orange ship. Okay. Orange ships. Let's run. Let's rush out there and get him.
I'm not rushing.
I'm rushing out there with my pistol and get him.